Hello and welcome to Goa 365 Story Behind the Story. So we would like a brief political analysis on what the situation is, especially with the ZP elections coming up anytime in the next 15 days, from our Congress Mahila Chief, Goa Mahila Chief Pratima Kutino, Sandesh from AAP, then Dilip Prabhudesai from Goa Forward, and Urfan Mullah from the BJP. Welcome guys to our show. Pratima, please give us an analysis on what you feel is the general situation. Yeah, Pratima, please go on.
आता मेन मुद्दा ते first and foremost one should realize that Congress is largest and biggest political organization or party in this world. Secondly, या दुसरे पार्टी जसा पळय दुसरे ऑपोजिशन त्यो जायते येतात वतात पण काँग्रेस इज हियर टू स्टे. नाउ यू माइट से that what is happening that Congress some of the leaders are leaving and going like Bab Urfan Mullah recently gone after working for more than 20 years. So there have been some differences asa na munna there are some differences but it's high time now you also start feeling that the high command has to introspect. He has to introspect and see what is going wrong. Because it is not a Congress party, it is some of the leaders who have some differences, have some problems.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. But here we want to go a little more into the politics of it, the full politics, the political strategy, the political game. I will not bring in Urfan right now. Urfan can reply to you later. I would like to bring in AAP in before I bring in Go Forward. I would like to bring AAP in here because. See, Sandesh, AAP is jockeying for position. It's trying to move in the place of the Congress, which is the original, the national party, the old party, which has ruled the state and the country.
What you're talking?
Yeah, just a second, Pratima. Let's go to him.
Then it's possible.
Yeah, okay.
How it's possible?
This Sandesh can tell us.
You will see it happening, Pratima, very soon.
Yeah. Okay, Sandesh, you tell Pratima. No, you tell us how this is possible. Yeah.
तुमच्या आपाचेच आपण गोंयांत 50% आपाचेच रिझाइन करून काँग्रेसात आयल्यात. Congress can go to see anywhere you go to see. The tall leaders are resigning and coming, and we are inducting them in Congress. So how they can replace us? How can they come in a position?
Sandesh talk. Yeah, Sandesh, go ahead.
प्रतिमा बायन आताच सांगले परिस्थिती बिकट आसा. गोंयची परिस्थिती डेफिनेटली बिकट आसा. गोंयची परिस्थिती बिकट आसा बीजेपी खातीर जी रुलिंग पार्टी आसा तांची ज्यो पॉलिसीज आसा एंटी पीपल पॉलिसीज त्या पॉलिसी बिकट आसा. एट द सेम टाइम जाका प्रिन्सिपल ओपोजिशन अशें समजताले गोंयकार आनी गोंयकाराक जांचेर भरपूर विश्वास आशिल्लो की काँग्रेस हॅज फेल्ड एका बरोबर एक लिडर खंय तरी सोडून वचप खंय तरी केन्ना बिकॉज डिफरन्सीस आसपाक शकता. जेन्ना मास 10-12 इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह काँग्रेसीच्या पार्टीक जॉईन जाता तेन्ना त्या पार्टीची परिस्थिती खरेंच बिकट आसा. गोंयच्या परस परिस्थिती बिकट आसा. एट द सेम टाइम गोवा they have dished Goans. Congress has literally dished Goans.
Just interrupt slightly. Basically, what we are interested in knowing is how. We know what Congress has done. We know what BJP has. We know. We want to know how AAP is going to take advantage of that and become what it wants to become.
See, we believe in democracy.
Correct.
We strongly believe in democracy. And when we believe in democracy, it is not we. It is considering AAP as a very strong force in Goa. It's not we. It's not about us. It's not about me. It's not about anybody else in politics. आम्ही जे leaders, जे लोक political parties आहेत त्यांच्या बद्दल नाही. They are not the ones who get themselves elected. It is the people of Goa who elect them.
Correct.
Who think and it is the people of Goa right now. आज लोकांच्या तकलेन जर खंय तरी ऑप्शन जे दिसता 2-3 गोष्टी आसात तातूंत. फाटल्या 2017 इलेक्शनान बाकीच्यो पार्टी आशिल्ल्यो गोंयच्यो ज्यो लोकल पार्टीज फ्रेन आशिल्ल्यो पण खंय तरी त्या लोकल पार्टीसान सुद्धा गोंयकाराचो विश्वासघात केला. आणि ह्या विश्वासघाता खातीर लास्ट टाइम खंय तरी बीजेपीक डिफीट करपाचो एक स्ट्रॉंग वील आशिल्लो लोकां मदीं. आज जो सरकार आसा तसो पळोवपाक गेलो तो सरकार हो इलेक्टेड सरकार न्ही, इट इज अ फोर्स्ड गव्हर्नमेंट ऑन द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. सो त्या वेळार ज्या लोकांनी बीजेपीचो स्ट्रॉंगली ओपोज केल्लो त्या बीजेपी बरोबर वचून हे गव्हर्नमेंट लोकांच्या माथ्यार मारला. सो ओपोजिशन आशिल्ले तेय लोक खंय तरी बीजेपीन शामील जाल्यात, बीजेपीचो पार्ट जाले. सो समवेअर आयज गोंयकारांक बीजेपी आनी खंयच फरक दिसना. It's very clear.
Yeah,
It's clear.
Sandesh, I'll bring you on this point little later.
Can I
Now,
talk?
This is wait, I want to get Dilip in because he's talking about options. Now, Congress, we know Congress is a player, but I want to go back to the options on that before I go back to Irfan and Urfan and then you back, Sandesh. I'll give you a chance on that to give you a chance to compare. Now, Dilip, what is happening? Sandesh कितें म्हणूंक शकता is basically. Last time Goa Forward was an option to the people and you all got 3 candidates. 100% I think 100 or I mean 90%. Yeah.
75%.
75% because one from Veli I think, yes.
Yeah.
So te option ashille. This time that is not an option because of certain political decisions taken by you all. So today this option is up, is what Sandesh is trying to say. Now, do you agree, disagree with that?
No,
and in a way you can also answer Pratima back on that.
Yeah, I would like to say that whatever people think as options, or people see as options, let the people see it and let the people declare. Why should we sit here and decide who is the option and who is not the option?
Okay.
Finally, in 2022, we are going to have elections. People are going to contest. And the electorate is going to decide who is the option. Parties were battling for the second spot behind the Congress, and that is why Congress is to win.
Now
As reversal, as BJP has become the central pole of politics.
Absolutely, yes.
So, should we follow the same path where parties battle for the second spot and allow the BJP to win? Or is it that the poll, Pratima says it is the oldest party and all that, but rather than dwelling on history, we have to understand that Congress's vote share is second behind the BJP right now everywhere.
Yeah, Dilip, absolutely. Now, Dilip Bab, I think Dilip Bab is looking at more at some sort of alliance, anti-BJP. Now, here it brings us to yeah.
Because
Now
that is the
here
sentiment of the people. See, understand, the sentiment of the people is anti-BJP, where everybody except Urfan will agree. Sentiment of the people is anti-BJP.
See,
How that has to be converted into winning elections. See, BJP today is best at winning elections. But what happens between elections is what the Congress is neglecting.
yeah,
That
okay.
should be
Okay,
addressed.
point.
And then
Yeah,
you
fair
get
enough,
the
fair enough. But I want to bring in, it's been long, I want to bring in Urfan on this because now ultimately what's happened is Urfan, आता तुम्ही ऐकलं, you have heard Congress, you've heard AAP, you've heard Goa Forward. Now you are the target because you are BJP one. So Urfan, now it's your turn. You what you have to say.
आतांच आमचे आप प्रतिमा कुदिनो माझे आनी तशेंच आमचो दिलीप प्रभू साहेब उलयलो. सगळ्यान पयलीं हें सांगून दिसता की 2017 जेन्ना इलेक्शन जालें, गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीक सेक्युलर पार्टी म्हणून गोंयच्या लोकांनी निवडून हाडले आनी जवळ जवळ 3 जे आसा ताका MLA मेळ्ळे आनी हेमी जे आसा भारतीय जनता पार्टी गोंयान कोणें फॉर्म करपाचें काम केलें तें म्हाका दिसता गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीन केलें आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीक पावरान हाडपाचो काम गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीन केलां. आयज समज आमी गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता, म्हाका दिसता तांकां हो अधिकार ना. दुसरो, तशेंच आमचे प्रतिमा बायन सांगलें की आमचे मदीं कितें डिफरन्सीस आसत, युथाचे मदीं कितें डिफरन्सीस आसा, लिडरांचे मदीं कितें डिफरन्स आसत, आमी बसून ते सॉर्ट आवट करपा जाय. कितले पार्टी जे आसा आमचे जे लिडर्स आसा, जशें तुका MP इलेक्शन जालें, आमचे MP इलेक्शनान आमचो एक कॅडर जो आसलो, कॅडरान एक मागणी केली की युथाक जी आसा सावथाक टिकेट मेळची म्हणून. सगळ्यांनी मिटींग घेतली आमी बसून. आमचो संकल्प वामणकर, जेका आमी आफ्टर गिरीश ताका एक लिडर मानताले, ताणें एक मिटींग कॉल केली आनी सांगलें की बाबा एक MP एक यंग फेस जावपाक जाय. पण तशें जावूं ना. आमचे लिडर जे आसा आमचे नेक्स्ट जे आमकां आपूण सांगपाक लागले की तुमी मिटींग घेतलीच कित्याक काय म्हणून. हें जातकीर जिल्ला इलेक्शन येयलें. पार्टीचो जो काँग्रेसचो कॅडर आसलो तितून प्रतिमाय आसा, हांवूय आसलो, संकल्प, जना भंडारी, आग्नेय फर्नांडीस, सगळ्यांनी मेळून एक डिसिजन घेतलें की पार्टी सिंबॉलाचेर जिल्हा इलेक्शन जावपाक जाय म्हणून. आतां हे इलेक्शन आमी कोण बसपाचे नासले. प्रतिमा कुतीनय कौन्सिलां पडटा, संकल्प बसपाचो नासलो, उर्फान मुल्लाय बसपाचो नासलो, जनाय बसपाचो नासलो. एक यंग ब्रिगेड जे भुरगे आसा जे काँग्रेसीक काम करता हांकां सगळ्यांक थंय टिकेट दिवची, आमची एकूच मागणी आसली सगळ्यांची. आनी पार्टी जो आसा, कॅडर पीस जो आसा, गांवांनी परतून सिंबॉल जो आसा हो पावचो म्हणून आमी मिटींग घेतली. इतलेच आहा, सिनियर लिडर जे सगळे चावडून पडले. आझाद मैदानाचे प्रोटेस्ट येयलो आनी सोमतोच आमचो ओपोजिशन लिडरान आमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयनासतना डिक्लेअर केलें की पार्टी इलेक्शनाचेर कांय जावपाना म्हणून. अशें पक्षान जे आसा, जेन्ना आतां उलयताले ते आमी सगळें कितें ते डिफरन्सीस सॉर्ट आउट करपाक जाय. डिफरन्सीस सॉर्ट आउट 1 पार्टी करप, 2 पार्टी करप, 3 पार्टी करप. जेन्ना हट्टीपण येता मनशाक, जेन्ना मनीस दिसता की आपूण गोंयचो नेक्स्ट मुख्यमंत्री जातलो म्हणून, तुजे कडेन एक आमदार सांबाळपाची कॅपेसिटी ना. आज ओपोजिशन लिडराची गोंयांत परिस्थिती पळया. आयज गोंयांत ओपोजिशन काँग्रेस आसतना बसून तेंचे कडेन एक आमदार, हे जे आहा 5 मुख्यमंत्री गोंयचे, हेंची 5 कडेन 5 तोंडां आसा. हे फाल्यां जिखोन येतरी रावतले पक्षा मदीं काय परतून सोडून सगळे जे लोक हांकां इलेक्ट करून हाडटले काय पार्टी व्हरून घाणां घालतले कोणा कडेन. हे सगळे प्रश्न गोंयचे जे यंगस्टर जे पक्षांक काम करताले हेंचे मदीं निर्माण जावपाक लागलो. आनी आयज हे कोणाक हाडटा भितर, कोणाक विचारून जे भुरगे थंय कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन काम करता, जे भुरग्यांनी आपलं रक्त दिलां, आपलं बलिदान केलां काँग्रेस पक्षाक लागून, 15-15, 20-20 वर्सां भुरग्यांनी काम केलां, हांकां विचारून आसतना भायले भायर रातीचे राती सेटींग करून कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर करता. हें जें चलना पार्टीन, हें पार्टीन रॉंग आसा. आनी ते पार्टीचे निर्णयाचेर हांव म्हाजे जे यंगस्टर मित्र आसा हांवूय तांकां मेळ्ळो, तांकांय दिसलें खंय पूण पार्टी रॉंग डायरेक्शन वचूंक लागला. सो हांवें म्हाजो राजिनामा दिलो. आनी म्हाकाय दिसता की जें नेतृत्व जें कितें चलना, ओपोजिशन लिडर जेन्ना चेंज जालो, हे ओपोजिशन लिडरार चेंज जातरीच म्हाका दिसता पार्टीची दिशा आनी दशा कंप्लीट काबार जाली.
Urfan has a point. Why? I'll tell you. Before Pratima, you are next. Yeah. Dilip.
बीजेपी म्हणटा काँग्रेस सिंगल डिजिट जातली. संदेश, म्हाका तुका चान्स आहा, कांयच भिराक तूं.
Yes, we'll
Can I comment?
do that later. One second. Sandesh, I just want to bring Pratima onto this because Pratima, what Urfan is saying is not Goa related. This we have seen MP, Rajasthan, lots of places. 26 top leaders have said this. Fine, we see this in Goa. Pratima, I remember in my mind, I'm saying this on live open TV today, but I remember during, I'm not a supporter of any party. This I'm sure, I think most of you all know. When the South Goa MP ticket was given, I called up certain of your leaders because we have the contact. Arey, why wasn't Pratima given? Why is this guy given? Whoever is the MP, he's retired. Supposed to be. Why? This was my thought. It may be wrong, of course, in its vast what do you say, wisdom of the party, they probably given. But I'm saying my point. Arey, why? Pratima is the face everywhere. She'll come. She will speak to the media, harass everybody. Go. Why? Why not you? So you please. Let me know whether what Urfan is saying is right or wrong.
See, Glenn, as you have said on record, and you are appreciating and you are saying that I'm become the face of Congress. You have seen me fighting on the streets of Congress, and today it's prominent figure. I admit it. Like Urfan just told you about it, and you said that even you are disappointed that I was denied the MP ticket last night in the South Goa. Let me tell you, I don't want to I'll be very genuine enough. Even I was very down. And I was let down. I was very upset at that time that my pressure also had gone down and whatever. Because somewhere I also felt that I have given 25 years from the time I was 18 years to the Congress party. I have come as a grassroots leader. And when I took over as the Mahila Congress president, when Rahul ji gave me the opportunity and responsibility of heading the organization, before that, though I was Youth Congress president, seeing my work, when I was given the opportunity as Mahila Congress president, I'm not telling you lies. When they had told me to prepare my resume, there were like 97 agitations and protests which I had done, 8 to 9 cases, FIRs on me. Finally, the ticket was given to Sardina Bab. But that doesn't mean that I left Sardina, I left Congress. I woke up and I started working. I worked for Sardina from Sangye to you can ask anyone in Nuem, Margaon, मागीर तुझे Naveli, everywhere I went and I kept
Pratima, we are
going.
aware. The issue is not what you did. Who is doubting what you did? We know. We covered. Even your now BJP mate and even the other part. I'm sure they are aware what you've done. We are not talking about that. We are talking about the bigger malaise, which is basically ती कितें म्हणटा काँग्रेस अकेला म्हणटाली आमी ती पिक्चर पळयला ते अकेला अलोन आनी यूथ is having a problem with this party throughout. आमी पळयता आमी गोंयचे सोड तूं बिहाराक पळय MP पळय राजस्थान सचिन पायलट सिंधिया पळया न्हू तुमी सो ते
That is what I'm saying. No, that leadership should introspect now. It's high time that the leadership should introspect.
Can I come in?
Now, since Giri Chodhankar, our president, has already announced the other day, he has announced the other day saying that the tickets into 2022 will be given to freshers and dynamic and young cadre. That's what he
Okay, and
said.
then who will become the
So
chief
I
minister? That
probably
we'll see.
feel it will be like
Okay. Yeah.
maybe 30 youngsters and maybe 40 matured or experienced leaders.
Yes, Pratima. Then we'll see who becomes the
In
chief
fact, they have
minister.
realized,
after
like,
this is a-
2022. Anyway, leave that aside. Sandesh. No,
I
let's
think
stick to that, yes.
politics is somewhere where it has become individualistic, much more individualistic than what it should have been. Politics is not for your own self. Politics is for the people.
Correct.
And Goan leaders, these established leaders, so-called established leaders, till today, have seen that they grow. They've never let others grow. You see, both these parties. To be very frank, Urfan spoke about the issues with his previous party, but the party where he is gone now, party is importing leaders and it's sidelining its own karyakartas. People
Yes, Sandesh, we are
now
losing-
understand very clearly that all this mess what has been created is because of individualistic approach. It's for the self approach. People have realized that nobody is interested in the betterment of the state, in the betterment of the people of Goa, and that is where people have started thinking that an option is required. Definitely we are putting on our best. Even we have differences, no doubt. Every family for that matter has differences, but we are trying to sort those out. Maybe there will be some who have come with self-interest, will leave us and go, no issues, but we will work for the betterment of Goa.
Yeah. Dilip Babu.
But you tell what you all have done, no, Aam Aadmi, what is your contribution till date in Goa? Apart from talking
We
about
have-
Delhi,
we have
tell me what is the contribution. I can tell you what is the
consecutive-
contribution of
consecutive
Congress party, not
elections,
only in Goa
Pratima
but
Bai.
India, but Aam Aadmi. तुम्ही ते सांगा
Pratima Bai, we are a new party. We are a new
When
party.
you
Two
start-
consecutive elections. This party has bought to zero, and this is based only on the performance of our Delhi government and nothing else.
Okay,
It is
let's
performance.
leave Delhi out.
Speak
for
about
a time.
performance. We
Dilip Babu.
don't speak individual.
Delhi is not the issue here at all. Actually, एक most important issue जो असा जो सगळे skip करता and as Sandesh has said that when Urfan Mullah and Pratima are talking about the internal machinations of the Congress party, I don't think Goans are interested in that at all. Goans are not interested in that. What are Goans today interested in? We are interested in keeping the democracy alive. And basically, आज पळय जो anti BJP sentiment आसा ताजे तो कॅश इन करपा खातीर कोणच एकठांय येवपा तयार ना इज वॉट गोवन्स फील सॅड अबाउट टुडे. यू गो एनीवेअर सगळे कोण येत तो सांगता की तुम्ही सगळे एक जाया आनी हे गव्हर्नमेंट उडयात. हे गव्हर्नमेंट अगेन्स्ट एज प्रतिमा has said regarding Mole, regarding coal, there are so many issues where the government is very openly anti people. But just being anti people, you have to give the people an option, a good option.
Fair enough, Dilip Babu. Yes. Ami, now we are light of time. So, Urfan Babu, I want some last words from you on this issue, ideological, self-development, whatever. And yeah.
म्हाका
Ending.
दिसता आमचो दिलीप बाब उलयलो आतां आयडियोलॉजीची हीच आयडियोलॉजी घेवन गोवा फॉर्ड पार्टीचे जो तिगांय जे आसा मंत्री असले दिलीप बाब जे आसा हीच आयडियोलॉजी पार्टीन OSD म्हणून काम करतालो. आतां पार्टीन वचप कोणाच्या वांगडा?
उर्फान बाब तुका आयडियोलॉजीचो अर्थूच समजुना.
तें सांगता तुमकां हांव.
Ideology is not coming in alliance.
तुम्ही म्हाका
Ideology
म्हणलें
is
की
different. We had a
इंडिविज्युअल जो
common
आसा
minimum program, Urfan Bab.
इंडिविज्युअल जो
We had a
आसा
common minimum program.
इंडिविज्युअल मनी जो
That was
उलयता
not an
तुमी,
ideology.
see, it is तुम्ही जे उलयता
Let us-
You have
ideology
joined the
भारतीय
party. You have
भारतीय जनता
joined the
पार्टी
party
जॉईन
with
Leave a
people's
black-
ideology.
जावप तेजी आयडियोलॉजी कितें हीच आयडियोलॉजी पार्टीची घेऊन जे आसा तुम्ही मंत्री जाल्ले काय कितें ही आयडियोलॉजी पार्टीची
आम्ही
भारतीय जनता
common
पार्टी समज
minimum
कित्याक जाल्यार
program
join
was our
केला ही
ideology.
party. आयज कशी जे आसा तुमकां दुसरी पार्टी एक जावन इलेक्शन वचूंक शकता ऑलरेडी तुम्ही 20 सीट्स मागता एक सायडी 20 सीट जे एनसीपी मागता कोण तुमकां काँग्रेसीन फाटल्यातल्यान बॅक करून काँग्रेसीन फाटल्यातल्यान बॅक करून म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसीन तुमकां बॅक करपाची आनी तुमची आयडियोलॉजी मुखार ओडपाची हे जे कितें तुम्ही
आयडियोलॉजी म्हणटाली काँग्रेसी आशिल्ल्या लोकांनी गांधी नेहरू जर वाचिल्लो आशिल्लो जाल्यार
ऑलरेडी लोकांक जे आसा हे सगळे खबर आसा की
आयडियोलॉजी
कशा भशेन जे आसा लोकांक पिशे करून 2.5 वर्सां जे आसा मंत्रीपद घेवन जे आसा आपले काम करपाचे प्रयत्न जाले जेन्ना काँग्रेसीचे जे 12 MLA जे आसा हे भितर जेन्ना सरले तेन्ना जे आसा तुमकां भायर काडून उडयले म्हणून हे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा जे म्हाका दिसता की अशें करून जे आसा लोकांक पिशे करपाचें काम जे आसा ते डिबेटीन करचें न्हू म्हणून
Okay, fine. Any of you all have
इरफान बाब
Yes.
जरी तूं आज बीजेपी खातीर आयिल्लो आसा पूण म्हाका तुज्या इनिशियल जो तुवें अप्रोच दाखयलो म्हाका खंयच दिसना तूं यू आर कन्विन्स विथ द आयडियोलॉजी ऑफ बीजेपी सो इट साउंड्स इट इज व्हेरी वेल सीन इन युअर अप्रोच सो म्हजे
I don't know. That I think is a little
जे
personal,
दिलीप
but
बाबूय
anyway.
तुका सांगपा पळयतालो ही आयडियोलॉजी जी घेवन तूं आशिल्लो ताज्या कडेन कॉम्प्रमायज करून जर भायर सरता बीजेपी वॉज नॉट एन ऑप्शन फॉर यू बट यू हॅव आय डोंट नो फॉर वॉट यू हॅव गॉन देर जे प्रॉब्लेम्स तुवें काँग्रेसीन सांगले ताज्यांनी चड प्रॉब्लेम्स बीजेपीन आहा आनी बीजेपीचो प्रत्येक जो मूळ कार्यकर्ता आसा आज अक्षरशः रडटा की आपल्यान ज्या पार्टी काम केलें
Okay.
तो
Fair
खंय
enough.
ती पार्टीची आयडियोलॉजी खंय आसा हे
That-
लोक
that-
म्हणटात ओपनली
That
आयज
possibly
आयज
is the-
आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीन जे आमदार आसा आमचे जे मंत्री आसा ते हे सगळेचे सगळे जे आसा काँग्रेसीन असले आणि आयज ते
All
थंय आसा.
imported
So
मरे
म्हाका
बाब.
दिसता ते इम्पोर्टेड आसा आमकांय खबर आसा बट आमकां सांगपाचें आसा की
It's
आयज
like,
जे
you know,
थंय
that
आसा
Congress hand is holding the kamal today. हे सगळे आमचे आमदार असा पळय तांकां घेतला आणि आयज गव्हर्नमेंट चलयता संदेश बाबान म्हणला थंय हांव अग्री करतले की आयज खंय तरी तांच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक न्ही दुखपाक लागला तांचे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंटाक न्ही दुखपाक लागला जे ते तयार जाल्ले पळय MLA जावपाक
Okay, on
तांकां
this-
आयज खंय तरी सांडलेल्या भशेन दिसपाक ना आणि आय फील काँग्रेस सरकार बीजेपी सरकार इज रुलिंग इन गोवा बट इट इज इनडायरेक्टली आय फील दिस आमचे काँग्रेस ऍक्च्युअली काँग्रेसाचे सगळे तुमचे
Fair
ओन
enough.
खंय आशिल्ले
Okay.
तुमचे नंबर
Yes,
खंय
I
आशिल्ले
agree.
बीजेपीचे
Totally, I agree
17
with you in a
mandate दिल्ली
way.
काँग्रेसाक
In a
लोकांनी.
way, I agree, but we have to go back down history. I
Yeah.
have to put it this now. The Congress, Pratima, not you, but the Congress, including Pratap Singh Rane, is a former MGP man. Once upon a time, the MGP was a cradle for the Congress. Today, the Congress has become a cradle for the BJP. I think life goes on. The circle moves. I don't know about AAP. Hopefully AAP will be an option. Hopefully AAP will do something. The Congress will improve. But right now, Goa Forward will get its act together. But right now, looks as if it is the BJP that is ruling, and the rest of you guys have to get your act together and see how you all can dethrone the big part. Especially
No,
the
tell
Congress.
tell BJP ते इम्पोर्ट केला पळय लिडर्सांक तांकां कमलाचेर बसय म्हूण बीजेपीचेर आनी कितले जाण जिखून येता ते पळोवया म्हूण सांग आय चॅलेंज दिस टू डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत.
Okay, we'll have to see that because elections are not just around a
I
year.
think-
Pratima, I'm sure he's heard this. He will be watching this and then he can answer to you. Okay,
I
guys,
think- No, I would like to sum up. Glenn, I would like to sum up in just one line. All the parties who want to defeat the BJP, all the forces who want to defeat the BJP, as I said, should not battle for second spot. Should get together and battle the BJP. That is what is
alliance.
important.
I know that is something that the Goa Forward Supremo has been fighting for, and that is what the
Dilip
Congress
Babu.
is not very keen even last time. Guys,
One last point I would
Yes.
want to make. Definitely हो जो विचार आसा तो लास्ट इलेक्शना पर्यंत खंय बरो दिसतालो पण ह्या इलेक्शनान हो विचार करपाकच भंय दिसता कित्याक लास्ट इलेक्शना नंतर जे इमिजिएट द नेक्स्ट डे जे डिसिजन जालें ते डिसिजनाचो कंप्लीट विश्वासघात आशिल्लो
ना,
त्या
ना,
विश्वासघाता नंतर
विश्वासघात
परत विश्वास दवरप हे शक्य जायना
आम्ही कोणाबरोबर नाशिल्ले. We were battling both the Congress and the BJP.
नो ज्यू गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे जे 3 आमदार निवडून आयले जे 3 आमदार निवडून आयले
seats that we won. and we have lost to
Dilip Bab,
democracy.
Jasleen Amdar need to highlight that was
is not an
strongly
alliance.
mainly because it was opposing BJP.
Pratima,
We are
you don't
talking
have anything
serious
to
business.
say
We are
add to
talking
this?
about
It was
not-
opposing BJP, and the very next day it was with BJP.
No.
And secondly, I want to mention one more thing. Congress has to really give a very serious thought and think about the people of Goa more, because they have been thinking about their own self. Even nationally, we have seen big leaders like Kapil Sibal, Ghulam Nabi Azad mentioning very clearly that all is not well with Congress. So
अरे but in
it's for the
Goa,
people
your big
of
leader
Goa.
of Aam Aadmi only is trying to come in Congress. पहिले हे point.
Yeah,
दिल्लीचे point.
नाही,
अगं,
people-
गोवा
people-
Kapil
leader
Mishra
असतो,
also,
स्वतः
he joined
काँग्रेस
BJP from,
He is only fed up.
People
He is
with
reasoned
self,
Delhi and
I
joined BJP
accepted.
also, so there is no
I
issue of
accepted
leaving the
people
party.
with self-motive. People with self-motive will definitely leave us and go. No issues. We will still remain. We have meant business. We have shown our intentions. We have shown our capabilities in Delhi.
Okay.
We will do it in
Okay.
Goa as well.
You are only talking on base of Delhi. You are only talking on
Yes.
base of Delhi.
Yeah,
I am telling you,
talk
give me the
on,
report
on
card
any,
for
any
Goa,
model
what you
of
have
yours.
done. Rather than
It's
giving
open to you, Fatima.
oximeters,
You
what
talk
Aam
on
Aadmi
your
has done
models.
in Goa. Your contribution during COVID times, you tell me that.
My contribution towards COVID time, you will have to come on the ground and see, ma'am. I was on the ground. I
Okay,
personally
okay,
was on
guys.
the ground besides my
Yes.
party on the
No,
ground.
not a
My
personal,
party,
not personal.
my party
Okay.
has done
Okay.
oximeter
Okay.
drive. You know what oximeter drive is? We have done this oximeter drive and reached 150,000 houses in Goa. We have got
Excuse
Do
me,
you know the
oxygen level
population of
minute
Goa?
is up.
Do you know the
Excuse me,
it's
population
15
of
lakh.
Goa?
It's 15 lakh. I'm talking about 150,000
आम
houses.
आदमीचो कॅन्डिडेट बसलो द फेस ऑफ आम आदमी ऑफ गोवा तेका ताचे डिपॉझिट कित्याक जप्त
Fatima Bhai, I am talking about 150,000 houses, and it's 15 lakh population of Goa, ma'am. We have
don't tell me 1,50,000
Entire Goa.
houses. You have given five
Yeah.
oximeters. You all must have given one oximeter per house. But what is the
I am
population
not-
of Goa? What is Sandesh Bab? What is the population of Goa? See, I'm not
You- you-
criticizing.
you have been in
five
Pratima.
houses, but I'm
have
saying
been more-
we have to work on the
Pratima.
ground.
We are working on the ground. Fatima Bhai.
आमचे कितें आसा
Your-
कितें
your-
आसा we have to think that and go forward.
You are just backup of BJP.
आम आदमी
You are a backup of BJP. You are just providing them with MLAs. We will not even win municipality. We will the coming ZP Zilla Panchayat elections. We will.
your members, they Dev Surbi,
We will win
Magita
those.
Royla, Benamiche, they have come here in Congress. They have resigned.
I know why they have come
resigned
for.
after they have said
Okay,
that
okay,
Aam
okay,
Aadmi
okay,
म्हणटा की
okay,
दिल्लीच बरी
okay.
आसा म्हणून
Guys,
हांगा
let's not
चलपाना.
get personal.
It might take you a
हांगाय
years,
कसले?
but first
हांगाय
Let's
कसले?
not get personal. Let's not get personal. Okay. Guys, we are out of time. We've crossed time. It was, I don't know. I don't know. It was it was enlightening, and the discussion was enlightening. We've run out of time now. Thanks very much, Pratima. Thank you,
Welcome.
and have the remaining day. Nice day.
Thank you so
Sandesh,
much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's- I
Thank
think,
you. Thank you, sir.
God bless
it's
you
a
all.
experience. Thank you very much, and
Yeah,
keep on
bye-bye.
watching Goa
Yes,
360.
yes.